Spell casting with pendulums is now live. So if you have signed up for the course for the early bird special, just go to your Thinkific account and log in, and you can now begin to study the course. Make sure to download the handout, even though it's a mini course. It's a very full mini course. It came out much bigger than I was expecting. So there's a really nice handout in there. And then there are video lessons. Each lesson is a mini lesson, about 10 or 15 minutes long. They're wide. I cover like the theory, important concepts. I give you about a dozen different practice spells on the most common topics that people are interested in. So it's an amazing course, amazing value. I thank you, those of you who have signed up. If you haven't signed up, it's not too late to do so. The early bird special is still on, so you can still get the discount, still get the deal, but you got to sign up this weekend, either today or this weekend, because next week the sale will be over. So please sign up now for the spell casting with pendulums. It's my last course or my last program of 2025. I'm bringing this 9 year to a state of completion. Yeah, and I'm hitting it off on a high note. I'm so happy that this course has been so well received. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing your questions, comments. If you have anything you want to know about the course, I've been sending out messages on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, but it's possible you may have missed something. So if there's some piece of information you need, some question you have to help you decide if this is a good course for you, please contact me. You can write a note below, send me an email, Facebook message, Instagram message, however you normally reach me. Just reach out and be more than happy to answer this, because I 100% stand by all my courses. I want you to feel good about them. I want them to be valuable for you. And I only want you to take them if you think they're a good fit. So yeah, ask and I'll gladly answer your questions, and there's no pressure for sales. And yeah, and I want you to be satisfied with the product. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in the course. Have a wonderful day. Bye.